How to hide Instagram posts from someone. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you two methods to hide Instagram posts from someone. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app. If you want to hide a post, open the post. Tap on the three dots of the post and tap on archive. Now only you can see the post. To find the post you just archived, go to your profile. Tap on menu. Tap on archive. Tap here. Tap on posts archive. Here you will find the archived posts. Now if you want to hide Instagram posts from a specific person, what you can do is that go to the person's profile. Tap on these three dots in the top right corner. To hide your posts from this person, you can either block or remove them from following you. But if you don't want to block or remove them, you can hide your story from them and create a new account. Post a story on your main account and tell your friends and followers to follow you on the new account. So this is how you can hide Instagram posts from someone.